Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on REALME GT3. So you have to start by opening your Google app, then click on your avatar, and now go to settings, then click on Google Assistant, and then click on voice match. Now click on Hey Google, and then scroll down and click agree. Now you have to scroll down and click agree again, and then click next. Then click on Retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next, and now click on back, and then click on lock screen and click yes I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. Then you can go back and go back again and click on Gemini, and my Gemini is now enabled. So let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google, and as you can see my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.